We're wrapping up the day, and the bulk of the gainers include names like Reliance, L&T as well as M&M. These are the stocks that piled on gains of over 60 to 70 points. So almost half of the gains in the Nifty today were contributed by three of these majors. All of these names as well as the closing plates will come up for you on the screen. On the losing side, however, ICICI Bank was under pressure. TCS goes home with a bit of a red. In terms of the various sectors in the stock performance, metals was clearly shining. So a NALCO, a SAIL, a Vedanta, a JSPL, NMDC, all of these stocks were up anywhere between 4 to 6%, and that was closely followed by auto because M&M was clearly fairly excited in the fast lane with 4% gain. Bosch as well seeing quite a bit of power, 4% higher. TVS, Hero were the other big gainers in the overall auto pack. The advance decline ratio overall wasn't too bad at all. In fact, 1800 stocks advancing to 600 stocks declining. That's not bad after the kind of volatility that we have seen. But talking about volatility, India VIX managed to snap that 13-day gaining streak and finally ended today with a bit of a red. So a breather coming in there, still around 20, but at least not further weakening of the VIX at least, and that's something to take heart from. Bank Nifty also had a decent day. In fact, the Bank Nifty managed to outperform quite a bit if I have it right. Okay, no, so by end of the trading session, it actually flattened out, just a 0.2% gain on the Bank Nifty. And I think the pressure came from some of those heavy banks. The names of ICICI Bank come to mind. Even Axis, for that matter, was in the red. And then some of the PSU banks also did not do quite well. So Union Bank as well as Bank of India continue to be in red. The shipyard and the defense companies also deserve mention. So a Garden Reach, a Mazgaon Dock, a Cochin Shipyard, all of these stocks were doing quite well. You also had a Railtel Corp up there. Engineers India was reacting positively. Godfrey Phillips was also in news. And then HG Infrastructure was high by around 15%. On the losing side, UPL, Cipla, Zomato, these were the biggest news makers. But that's how we have wrapped up the trading session. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.